Best PC Cases. Are you looking for the best PC cases? In this video we will look at 5 of the best PC cases on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. NZXT H7 Flow. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a high-performance mid-tower ATX case designed to deliver optimal airflow and cooling for gaming PCs or high-performance workstations. With a sleek, modern design in white, this case is engineered to enhance airflow and maximize component cooling. It comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, strategically positioned to ensure excellent airflow throughout the case, reducing temperatures and promoting system stability. One of the standout features of the H7 Flow is its dedicated GPU cooling support, which includes the option to install bottom-mounted fans. This feature allows for improved airflow directly to your graphics card, helping to maintain optimal temperatures during intense gaming sessions or high-demand tasks. The case is designed to accommodate a range of components, ensuring compatibility with most standard ATX, micro ATX, and mini ATX motherboards, as well as large GPUs and cooling solutions. The NZXT H7 Flow 2024 also offers impressive cable management options, with ample space behind the motherboard tray to neatly route and organize cables. This helps maintain airflow and prevents clutter, which can obstruct cooling efficiency. The design ensures that even the most complex builds can be organized and look clean, improving both aesthetics and system performance. With support for additional fans and radiators, users have plenty of flexibility in configuring their cooling setup. The case supports up to 7 120mm fans and multiple radiators, allowing for custom cooling solutions based on your system's needs. In summary, the NZXT H7 Flow 2024 is a versatile and well-designed airflow case that offers excellent cooling performance, efficient cable management, and ample space for high-end components. It's an ideal choice for users looking to build a powerful, well-ventilated PC with a clean, modern look. Number 2. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. The Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack is a sleek and innovative mid-tower ATX PC case designed for high-performance builds. Its fully modular design allows for easy customization, providing users with the flexibility to arrange components to suit their specific needs. The case is particularly suited for those looking for a clean, modern aesthetic with high-end cooling support and versatile component compatibility. One of the key features of the Qube 500 is its vertical GPU mount, which not only enhances the visual appeal of the build but also optimizes airflow around the graphics card for better cooling. The case comes with 1x120mm pre-installed SF black rear fan, ensuring that there's immediate cooling support for your system as soon as you assemble it. Additionally, the case supports dual 280mm radiators, giving users the option to install advanced liquid cooling setups for optimal system temperatures during heavy use. The Cooler Master Qube 500 also supports eATX motherboards, providing ample room for larger, more powerful components. This makes the case a great choice for users looking to build high-performance gaming rigs or workstations. The modular nature of the case allows for seamless installation of custom cooling solutions and easily accessible component placement, ensuring that users can create a fully tailored setup without compromising on functionality. With its black finish and clean, minimalist design, the Qube 500 offers a professional and visually appealing look that will suit any modern PC setup. The case also features a robust structure, ensuring durability and longevity for users who plan to keep their builds for years. In summary, the Cooler Master Qube 500 is a versatile and high-quality case that combines modularity, superior cooling options, and ample space for high-end components. It's ideal for users looking to build a powerful, customized PC in a sleek and efficient package. Number 3. In1 A3. The In1 A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is a compact yet powerful case designed for building high-performance gaming PCs. It is an excellent choice for users looking for a small form factor that doesn't compromise on cooling, aesthetics, or functionality. With its sleek black design, this chassis blends seamlessly into any gaming setup, while offering impressive features tailored to gamers and PC builders. One of the standout features of the In1 A3 is its built-in ARGB fan, which provides customizable RGB lighting that adds a vibrant and dynamic visual appeal to your build. The integrated ARGB fan helps improve airflow, ensuring that your system stays cool even during intensive gaming sessions or demanding tasks. This feature also allows for synchronization with other ARGB components, creating a unified and eye-catching light display. The chassis is compatible with micro-ATX motherboards, offering users flexibility in terms of component choices while maintaining a smaller, more compact footprint. Despite its size, the In1 A3 doesn't skimp on expandability and offers sufficient space for essential components like GPUs, storage drives, and cooling solutions. It supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front for advanced cooling setups and has room for multiple storage drives, providing ample options for users looking to expand their system. In terms of build quality, the In1 A3 is crafted from durable materials, ensuring reliability and longevity. It also features convenient cable management options to keep the interior clean and organized, improving airflow and preventing clutter. In summary, the In1 A3 Micro ATX gaming chassis is an ideal choice for users seeking a compact, visually striking, and efficient gaming case. Its built-in ARGB fan, cooling support, and flexible compatibility make it an excellent option for gaming enthusiasts and PC builders. Number 4. Fractal Design North XL. The Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium mid-tower ATX case designed for users who prioritize aesthetics, cooling, and ease of build. Known for its elegant design, the North XL blends minimalist Scandinavian style with functional features, making it a perfect choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who want both performance and visual appeal. One of the standout features of the North XL is its premium front panel. The front is crafted from high-quality, brushed aluminum with mesh panels that provide excellent airflow, ensuring your components stay cool under load. The tempered glass side panel, TG Dark, offers a clear view of your internal components, allowing users to showcase their build with stunning visual appeal, while also protecting the system from dust and debris. The case is designed to accommodate a variety of hardware configurations, supporting ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, as well as large GPUs and high-end cooling solutions. It can house up to 7 120mm fans or multiple radiators, up to 360mm in the front and 240mm on the top, ensuring excellent airflow and cooling performance for even the most powerful systems. The Fractal Design North XL also provides ample room for storage with support for multiple SSDs and HDDs, offering versatility in configuring storage for large games, applications, and data. In terms of cable management, the North XL excels with dedicated space behind the motherboard tray, allowing users to organize cables efficiently, keeping the interior clean and maximizing airflow. This case also features tool-free installation, making assembly and upgrades quick and easy. In summary, the Fractal Design North XL Charcoal Black TG Dark is a premium, stylish case that offers exceptional cooling, build flexibility, and a clean, modern aesthetic. It's ideal for those who want to build a high-performance system with an elegant and organized look. Number 5. Thermaltake View 270 TG ARGB Matcha Green. The Thermaltake View 270 plus TG ARGB Snow is a striking mid-tower EATX case designed to deliver both aesthetic appeal and high-performance cooling. Finished in a sleek snow-white color, this case is ideal for users who want to create a visually stunning build while maintaining optimal airflow for their components. The dual tempered glass panels on the front and side of the case provide a clear view of your system, showcasing your components and the vibrant RGB lighting effects. One of the standout features of the View 270 Plus is its 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans. These fans offer customizable RGB lighting that can be controlled via compatible software or directly through the case's integrated controller. This allows for dynamic lighting effects to match the user's preferred style, adding a personal touch to any build. These fans also enhance airflow, promoting better cooling performance during demanding tasks like gaming or video rendering. The case supports up to a 360mm radiator in the front, providing ample room for custom water cooling setups. The top and rear cooling options can also support 120mm fans or radiators, making the case highly flexible for users who want to build a custom cooling system. In terms of expandability, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus offers plenty of room for large components. It supports eATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX motherboards, and can house up to 6 storage drives. Additionally, cable management is made easy with a spacious rear compartment to route cables neatly and prevent airflow blockages. With its stylish design, RGB features, and excellent cooling support, the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow is an ideal choice for users looking for a powerful, aesthetically pleasing case for their gaming or workstation build. It comes with a 3-year warranty for added peace of mind.